What's up, guys? Emmy here. Today, we're diving into the Pi Network, a project aiming to put digital currency in everyone's hands, straight from your phone. This isn't just another crypto, it's a movement, and things are heating up. We'll cover Pi integration, the latest core team updates, the real story behind Pi's price, and the crucial KYC and mainnet migration steps. Plus, I've got some breaking community news at the end you won't want to miss. So, get comfortable. Let's unlock the future of Pi together. Here's everything you need to know about Pi right now. Let's start with Pi integration, the bridge between your mind Pi and real-world use. Integration means turning Pi from numbers on a screen into a currency you can actually spend. The Pi browser is at the heart of this, acting as a gateway to decentralized apps, dApps, where you can shop, play, and connect. Developers are building e-commerce stores, games, and financial services, all powered by Pi. The more useful these apps, the more valuable Pi becomes. The core team's utility-first approach is laying a strong foundation for real value. For pioneers, this means your Pi will soon buy you coffee, hotel stays, or products online. This creates a living circular economy. Pi is earned, spent, and recirculated. Integration also lets the network test and improve under real-world conditions, making it more secure and user-friendly. You're not just a user, you're helping build and stress-test the future Pi economy. To get involved, download the Pi browser, link it to your mining app, and explore the dApps. Try out projects, give feedback, and help shape the ecosystem. The more you engage, the stronger Pi's network becomes. Integration is where Pi's vision becomes reality. Every new app and active user adds value and stability. This isn't just a promise, it's happening now, and you're part of it. Dive in, explore, and help Pi become a true global currency. The future of Pi is being built today, by you. The Pi core team has been rolling out major updates to strengthen the network and improve your experience. The mainnet checklist is now clearer, with color-coded steps so you always know what's next. KYC is faster and more secure, thanks to new AI-powered validation and better document checks. Developers have new, more powerful tools, APIs and SDKs, to build better dApps and integrate Pi payments. The Pi wallet is safer and easier to use, with improved security and clearer passphrase warnings. Node software is more stable, ensuring the blockchain can handle more transactions as the network grows. Even the Pi app's chat has been upgraded for better moderation and community safety. These updates aren't just tweaks, they're preparing Pi for mass adoption. The core team is refining every detail, from user experience to back-end infrastructure. The focus now is on perfecting what's built, making sure it's secure, scalable, and ready for millions. Every improvement brings us closer to a robust, open mainnet. Stay updated, explore the new features, and make sure you're ready for what's next. The Pi network is evolving fast. Don't get left behind. Check your checklist, secure your wallet, and get involved in the community. The groundwork for Pi's future is being laid right now. These changes are setting the stage for the next big leap. Get ready. Pi's ecosystem is about to go mainstream. Let's talk about Pi's price, the hot topic on everyone's mind. You'll see wild numbers online, but here's the truth. Pi has no official price yet. Any price you see is just speculation, IOUs or futures, not real Pi. The core team warns against trading these. They're not backed by actual coins. The real value of Pi will emerge when the mainnet opens and people can actually use Pi for goods, services, and trading. Price will be set by what buyers and sellers agree on, true supply and demand. Community consensus values are just that, community-driven, not market prices. The real market price will depend on how many Pi coins are available and how many people want to use them. If supply is low and demand is high, price goes up, and vice versa. The killer app factor matters. If a must-have dApp launches, demand for Pi could skyrocket. Ignore speculative prices and focus on ecosystem growth. Watch for businesses accepting Pi and the quality of dApps being built. The true value will come from real-world utility, not hype. Sustainable price comes from a vibrant, useful economy. Be patient. Pi's real price will reveal itself as the network matures. Don't get distracted by rumors. Focus on fundamentals. The future value of Pi is in your hands and the strength of the community. That's what really matters. KYC, Know Your Customer, is essential for every pioneer. It verifies you're a real, unique person, stopping bots and fake accounts from gaming the system. Without KYC, Pi's fair distribution would be impossible. The process is simple. Use the Pi KYC app, select your country and ID type, and upload clear photos of your government-issued ID. Good lighting and clear images are key. Blurry or expired IDs cause delays. Next, complete a liveness check to prove you match your ID. AI reviews your application first. If there's an issue, human validators step in. This peer-to-peer validation is unique and helps keep the network decentralized. Delays happen, often due to unclear photos or mismatched info. Double-check your details. The team is improving the process and allowing some resubmissions. Passing KYC unlocks your path to the mainnet and secures your mined Pi. It's the final step to prove you're a legitimate participant. Be patient and follow instructions carefully. KYC protects the network and your assets. Once you're through, you're ready for migration and the next phase. Don't skip it. KYC is your ticket to the real Pi economy. Get it done and help build a trusted global network. Passed KYC? Congrats. Now it's time for migration, moving your Pi from the app to your real Pi wallet on the mainnet. Until migration, your Pi is just a claim. After, it's a real, usable asset. Migration is managed through the mainnet checklist. Make sure your wallet is created and confirmed. The system queues you for migration automatically, in batches, to keep things smooth and secure. Your wallet's public address is crucial. Without it, your Pi can't be transferred. Guard your passphrase, lose it, and your Pi is gone for good. When migration happens, only the Pi you mined yourself moves first. Bonus Pi from your team unlocks as they pass KYC. After migration, there's a 14-day pending period. Your balance is visible but locked for security. This window lets you check everything and react if there's an issue. Once unlocked, your Pi is fully yours, ready to spend, send, or use in dApps. Migration is designed for security and fairness, ensuring everyone gets their rightful Pi. Double-check your checklist and wallet setup to avoid delays. The process is rolling out faster, so your turn is coming soon. This is the moment your Pi becomes real cryptocurrency. Use it, spend it, and be part of the new digital economy. The core team's careful approach protects you and the network. Stay ready. Mainnet migration is your gateway to the future of Pi. Make sure you're prepared for when your time comes. The open mainnet is closer than ever. Pi isn't just tech. It's a global community, and recent events are proving its real-world impact. PiFest was a breakthrough. Businesses worldwide accepted Pi, letting pioneers buy coffee, clothes, and more with their coins. This wasn't just a test. It showed Pi's potential as a real currency and gave valuable feedback to the core team. The Pi-powered Commerce Hackathon is pushing developers to build next-gen commerce apps. Think e-commerce, point-of-sale, and delivery, all powered by Pi. The easier it is for merchants to accept Pi, the faster the network grows. Winning projects could become the backbone of Pi's economy. Now, the core team has launched the Pi Utility Challenge, a massive push to help users complete KYC and showcase dApps. The goal: clear the last hurdles before open mainnet. Pioneers are encouraged to create content, tutorials, and guides to help others and highlight Pi's utility. There are rewards for the most impactful contributions. This is a call to action. Your participation accelerates Pi's progress. The community's energy is driving the project forward. Get involved, help others, and use Pi in real ways. The open mainnet is within reach, thanks to events like these. Now's the time to be active and shape Pi's future. That's our deep dive into Pi's current state. Things are moving fast. Integration, KYC, migration, and real-world events are all coming together. The vision of a decentralized digital currency for everyone is almost here. Stay engaged, check the resources in the description, and keep building the community. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. I'm Emmy, and I'll see you in the next one.